So the headlights are looking pretty bad here. Really dingy. I've tried every single as seen on TV product and none of them work. These are getting worse by the day, so I just can't take it anymore. I went down to Baxter Auto Parts and I found this here 3M Lens Renewal System Sand, Refine, and Polish. So what I'm supposed to do is tape off this whole area here, and then it came with some sanding discs that I hook up to my drill, and then I polish it, and it's supposed to look brand new. And I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm actually gonna sand these down, so let's see what happens. Alright, so I think that worked really well. These lenses never looked this good for as long as I've owned it. They're smooth, they're clear. I'm impressed, and it only took me about 15 minutes per side. I don't know how long it's going to stay like this, but I'm imagining it's going to last a while because it really it just sanded that mess right off of there. And you know, and when it happens again, I think I'll just use this product again. It's the 3M Lens Renewal System. I'd say go give it a shot. It worked for me. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Till next time.